Wherever you are in nature, there are always signs of wildlife, from footprints in snow and mud to feathers and droppings and carcasses. As usual, the FSC has a guide for this, a guide to bird field signs, and I thought I'd demonstrate by showing you some feathers that I've collected. So you can tell from the guide which part of a bird a feather is likely to have come from. Angular, asymmetrical feathers are more likely to be primary feathers from the end of the wing, such as this one, from a lesser black-backed gull, or this one, from a Saker falcon. And if you want the ultimate example of a primary feather that is pointed and angular, check out this enormous gannet feather. Secondaries are less pointed than primaries, they're more rounded, and you can see that in these feathers. This is a barn owl, and this one is from a mallard. And finally we have tail feathers, and these are more symmetrical again, and tend to be quite square-ended, such as this one from a collared dove. So you can see that even though these feathers have come from wildly different species, we can use a few basic properties to work out which part of the bird they've come from. This guide shows far more than just feathers, and should enable you to identify all of the bird signs that you come across whilst you're out and about.